Department wants an assurance set in stone that it can act and respond immediately to any future pandemic relapse or a new viral outbreak once the state of pandemic urgency is lifted. An assurance only an act of Congress of presidential decree can provide, as we hear more from our Jillian Geronimo.
The Department of Health has submitted a bill to the House that would allow the government to continue its COVID-19 response efforts once the state of calamity earlier declared because of the pandemic is lifted. Health Officer in charge, Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeires, said the Public Health Emergency for Emerging and Reemerging Disease Bill has been signed as priority legislation upon the order of the President.
So whenever the state of calamity ends, maybe by the end of the year, if this law will be passed, we don't have to worry about anything because this replaces and this will become the basis of the different actions that we will do in terms of public health emergency.
This means that the government can continue to procure vaccines and provide benefits to healthcare workers, which are among the privileges granted by law when the state of calamity was declared. Vergeires said the bill has been discussed at the first ever meeting of the Legislative Executive Development Advisory Council of the Marcos administration. In the coming days as well, the DOH would recommend to the IATF to decouple COVID-19 restrictions from the alert level system.
Ibig sabihin, dapat ang alert level, ginagamit na lang natin para masabi kung ano yung risk level ng lugar. Parang storm signal na lang. Pero tatanggalin na natin dapat kung ano yung mga restrictions dahil alam naman natin hindi na siya appropriate at this point.
On this note, the DOH continues to remind the public of the importance of protecting oneself through getting vaccinated and wearing face masks when necessary despite the eased restrictions. Jillian Geronimo for The Nation.